My violin's really out of tune. Let's talk about tuning your violin. We use two parts of the violin to tune the strings: the pegs and the fine tuners. Now, you may have 4 fine tuners. I only have 1. We use the pegs for large adjustments, and we use the fine tuners for very fine adjustments. My A string is in tune, but my D string is not. So let's use the A string as a reference point to tune your D string. Now that my D string is in tune, we'll use the D string as a reference point for tuning your G string. Sometimes we need to go back and make finer adjustments. Take your time and make sure your violin is properly in tune. Your patience will be rewarded.